how to find customize menu on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find customize menu settings on Samsung internet browser. First thing, go to the browser and here you will find this three lines here in the bottom corner. uh, Click on it and then just scroll down until you find this one, layout and menu. Click on it and here you will find it, customize menu. Just click on it and here you can customize your menu. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.